Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to Quiltober 2020 day 8. Today I want to show you how to stitch, how to make this design. It's very nice and pretty and very easy, so don't worry. First we will draw, and I prepare my square, 10 inches square, and I draw diagonal line and vertical and the horizontal line on the middle of my big square. So after I draw another little square. This line measure about 2 inches, so you can decide to smaller or bigger. And I draw the curve like this, and the mirror image. I try to draw the mirror image, and again the mirror image this section. So my curve looks like swan. I call swan. So when we draw on disappears marker, of course, we make a feather. So let's get started to draw the plume and the feather. You see, I make one plume of feather, and I'm going to my start point, and again I draw my curve back, curve, curve back, curve, curve back, curve. You see, it's very simple to use. This is very important line because it's my center of my mirror image. So the other side I make the same. You see, sometimes I make a smaller, sometimes bigger. It's free motion quilting, you see. And again I'm going to my start point, and again the feathers. So let's get started quilting.